Did you know? The most expensive part of your security camera system might not be the cameras themselves. Many modern surveillance systems charge monthly fees for cloud storage, remote access, AI analytics, and video retention. What starts as a small monthly expense can become thousands of dollars over the life of a system. Imagine a business with 20 cameras. Even modest subscription fees can grow significantly as additional cameras, locations, and users are added. That's why many businesses are reconsidering local recording solutions using network video recorders, or NVRs. While they may require a larger upfront investment, they can reduce recurring costs and provide greater control over your video data. Cloud-based systems still offer important advantages, including remote management and simplified administration. The key is understanding your total cost of ownership before making a decision. At Camera Security Now, we help businesses compare cloud and local recording solutions to find the right balance of security, scalability, and long-term value. Before you buy your next security camera system, make sure you understand the costs beyond the cameras.